Is this the ultimate wedding suit prank?
My boy in here getting fitted for my wedding. You know what I mean? I was gonna talk about, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna be a little slimmer by then, though. A little bit slimmer. I'll lose some of this. I get this 188 down there.
Yeah.
Alright, you can take this on back, try.
One of my glasses did fall out, but we are on the right track. We are getting it back in. See?
Give me that beat, beat, that toot, toot. Running our hands through my fro, bouncing on 24. Why they stand on is the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh. Got a feeling that I'm going.